What are ideal solution that obeys the Rod's law? This question is frequently asked in exam. Difference between ideal and non-ideal solution. Very often asked, oftenly it has been asked in exam. Ideal solutions are what? They obey the Rod's law. Okay. In simple term, there is no heat exchange. Okay. There is no heat exchange. All right. Also, this is very important in this, the last point, that mathematically there is a mixing of, say, this is heat enthalpy mixing, which is equals to 0, and volume, change in volume, that is equals to 0, where H is enthalpy and V is, this is for volume, this is for heat, and this delta represents change in enthalpy, right? It is also termed as delta H mixing, say change in enthalpy. Okay. So if someone asks what are ideal solution, first thing is they obey Rolle's law. At different concentration, there is no heat exchange. Total volume of solution is exactly equal to the total volume of substance present in the solution. Okay. One more thing I should add here, that ideal solution, they does not form azeotrophs. We will study what are azeotrophs in just 2 minutes. They does not form azeotrophs. What are non-ideal solutions? They do not obey Rolle's law. Opposite to ideal solution, their change in enthalpy is not equal to 0, volume enthalpy is not equal to 0. Plus, there are two types of deviation that has been shown from Rolle's law, positive deviation and negative deviation, right? But non-ideal solution, they show non-ideal solution, they show negative deviation. Okay. And positive deviation is shown by ideal solution only. Why? Because they obey Rolle's law. Okay. And the last is azeotrophs. What are azeotrophs? These are the mixture of this. These are the mixtures that are in the liquid, that are present in liquid as well as in vapor phase. All right, and they can boil at constant temperature. These are the two types, such as minimum boiling points. For azeotrophs, there are two types of boiling points, minimum and maximum. Okay, minimum one, they exhibit large deviation, as you can see here. Let me zoom this. The azeotroph with the minimum boiling point, okay, they will give large positive deviation. Okay, and who give the positive deviation? Ideal solutions. All right, and example is given here for ethanol and water mixture, right? This will show ideal solution. This is an example of ideal solution, ethanol and water. This will show positive deviation. All right, at what? Minimum boiling point. For the azeotrophs that show the maximum boiling point, they will show the negative deviation as it is given here. Okay, as you can see here, the temperature rises, and with this, the deviation, it is moving more to the negative side, right? Example for azeotroph showing negative deviation is a mixture of nitric acid and water. All right.